Hello guys, today we are going to continue solving quadratic equations, but now I'm going to explain a new strategy, and the strategy is by quadratic formula. By quadratic formula is really easy. Of course, I'm going to show you where is the quadratic formula. I'm not going to explain where the quadratic formula is coming from, not yet at least, not in this video. And it's very simple because it's just use the formula. Okay? Then let me start clarifying that the quadratic equations must be in the standard form. Remember, the standard form is when the quadratic equation is equal to 0. When the polynomial, the whole polynomial is on the left and is equals to 0. That is the standard form. Then it's important to use the quadratic, to solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula must be in the standard form. This is the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula. Okay? It's x is equals to negative b. This negative is not because the number is negative, the b coefficient is negative. No, it's because here we have to apply the negative sign. Plus and minus, because we are analyzing two cases, square root of b squared minus 4, for its formula, times a times c. Everything divided by 2 times a. Then guys, important, remember that the leading coefficient is a, the coefficient for determining the middle is b, and the constant, the number alone, is c. Remember that of course the polynomial, the trinomial must be organized in descending form, descending, okay, and equals to 0, that means standard form. Okay, then in here, let's analyze the exercise. Here is in the standard form? No, but we have to do it, and it's really simple. 5x squared minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0. Now it's in the standard form. Then let's use the quadratic formula. X is equals to, remember, x is equals to negative minus here formula minus what? Minus b. What is b in my equation? B is negative 8, then it's negative 8. One more time, remember, this negative is because the formula, and this negative is because b is a negative number. Keep in mind that. Okay, b plus and minus square root of b squared. What is b squared? Negative 8 squared. Remember, b is the coefficient for determining the middle. Minus 4, this minus is formula, 4 is formula, times a. What is a? A is 5, then times 5 times c. What is c? Positive 3. Okay? All of these divided by 2 is formula times a. A is 5. Okay? Now everything we have to do is operations. Then x is equals to negative and negative, here is positive, plus and minus square root of 8, negative 8 squared is negative times 8, negative times negative, negative 8 times negative 8, and that's 64. Minus 4 times 5 is 20, times 3 is 60. Okay? All of these divided by 2 times 5 is 10. What I did? Just operations. We have to continue with operations. Then x is going to be equals to 8 plus and minus square root of 64 minus 60 is 4, and all of these divided by 10. Now let's continue in this part. Then x is going to be equals to 8 plus and minus square root of 4 is 2, and all of this divided by 10. Okay? Just continue the process. Now, here we have to analyze the two cases. Then x is equals to 8 plus 2 over 10, and here x is equals to 8 minus 2 divided by 8. Okay, we analyze the two cases. When it's positive here, and when it's negative, when it's subtraction here. Okay, then x is equals to 10 divided by 10. In other words, x is equals to 1. The first answer. The second answer is x is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6 over 10. If we simplify this fraction, half part is 3, half part is 5, then the answer is x is equals to 3 over 5. It's not possible to continue simplification, then that's the answer. Okay guys, pretty simple. just replacing the formula A, B, and C values. Important. Remember, the polynomial here must be organized in descending order, the trinomial here must be organized in descending order, and must be in a standard form. That means equals to 0. Guys, that's all. Thank you. Bye.